Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. I had this bed all nice and loose and fertilized and ready to go. Then we had like 4 days of rain, so it's kind of compacted down. I need the space to plant some more onions, so I'm going to see if I can loosen it up real quick with my little Honda GX25. One sweet little tiller. Got to put the choke in. Started right up after that. That's how you make short work of that. Now I get to rake and rake all this out. Alright, I got this section here raked out. Didn't take but a couple of minutes. Now, I've got some organic fertilizer here. Sprinkle a little in. Now we'll give that a quick rake in. Now we're going to lay this out with onions like we did in the other area. If I can figure out where I left the onions. And we'll lay the onions out like we did at the other area. I'm going to go ahead and plant these as I go just because there's so many of them to do. And I'm going to go 2 rows on this side. I got plenty of onions and I got a bigger bed. Boy, I got the last of those 90 onions in. And then I went scrounging around and I bought some little bulbs. 80 of them, wow. As you can see, these say they're yellow onions. I don't know if they're grain X or not. I hope they are, but we're going to go through and plant some of them too. Why not? Never have enough onions. I'm just going to plant the big ones. The little ones I'll put somewhere and let them grow up for another year. So. Once again, about 6 inches apart. Alright, that's the last of those planted. Still got a bunch in here. They're little tiny things. I'll put them in a pot, let them grow for another year. Now make good sets for next year. This is David at Grow and Eat This. Northeast of Atlanta, Zone 7. Low 50s. It's not raining at the moment, but it will be soon. Getting the onions in. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. There's a lot more coming. Thank you.